What they do, Jones crew, it's your girl Crystal, and I'm back at you again with another lit video. You already know the vibes. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell as well so you never miss a video. Okay? Drop your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on this entire situation with Gunna snitching on Young Thug, YSL. He is cooperating with the prosecution. Guys, we're going to get into the reaction of some of the rappers that's been online reacting to Gunna snitching. Let's get right on into it. I ain't gonna hold you, but remember, hit the like. Let's go. What's up, Jones crew? So this is what Bobby Shmurda has to say about Gunna snitching on Young Thug. Let's get into it.
Well, that's you heard? The youngest baddest rap in New York. We heard right now. I'm talking for the city. We heard right now. Freaked out. What?
It's Jeffrey Lamar Williams.
Yeah, somebody give him thing.
Yeah.
Get that write that down.
Jeffrey Lamar Williams.
Yeah, we're gonna write cuz today. We're gonna write cuz. When I go back. Send bro some money. Show him some money. You know what I'm saying? Send me a little 2 bands, son. Man, sure, they got some good commissary and shit. Hip hop shit whack, nigga. And then the fucking, all the blogs, all these other bitch ass niggas that be running behind these blogs, promoting these shits, and all this other shit. We slap the shit out one of these niggas, bro. For real, bro. Yeah, shit nasty, bro. This shit nasty nowadays, bro. Then the cops are chasing niggas around, doing a whole bunch of dick sucking shit. Nigga won't let nigga make his money. Fuck wrong with y'all niggas, man. This shit's crazy, huh? Whoa. Oh, all this shit out here, bro. And then
Yo, Bobby is going in. Drop your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on what he's saying. Interesting.
My mama, I told you, black guys. I told you.
Guys, make sure you comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this entire situation. Right now, we're going to get into what Saucy Walker got to say. Now, you know Saucy Walker ain't going to hold his tongue. He ain't going to bite his tongue. So let's get into what Saucy Walker about to say, because Saucy Walker got some things to talk about.
Making me feel like y'all told
Niggas is telling. I told you niggas. I told you niggas that niggas was gonna tell the truth. They said the truth will set you free. Well, boy, wasn't that the motherfucking statement of the century? Yeah, they said the truth will set you free, ain't it? The truth will set you free, huh? Got 4,000 people up in here that want to know. My live ain't usually got 4,000 people.
The pastor must give us a sermon about these snakes slithering and squirming. A bitch did my hair though, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta get it on my hair. A bitch did it.
All these good people. This man that went in the courtroom for all these
Good people that say, yeah, we a gang. What? I'm telling y'all right now, TSF ain't no gang.
Y'all never hear me say gang. We ain't gang, nothing. This is the family, and this is a factory of business. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, them niggas over there is pushing paperwork.
Yo, did this man just say that they was pushing paperwork, pushing prison? Yo, Saucy Walker about to
These
say
people's
this.
up in there.
Saucy Walker got some
That
things
nigga pushing forensics.
to talk about.
Hey man, told you. I need y'all to have that same
Energy y'all had for 6ix9ine, or y'all some hoe ass fans, and y'all some probably snitching too. Y'all probably tell on your mama, your best friend, your cousin, and your sister too. You know what I'm saying? You niggas, all of y'all that mad at 6ix9ine, all you motherfuckers that said all this shit about 6ix9ine, and all them other niggas that told y'all better do the same thing, or you black motherfuckers is fake. I'm mad and sad that I was going through something, and I would never tell or fold or my brother in no way, shape, or form. Fuck it, go give me my 30 years, give me my 25. My daughters will see me off of FaceTime off one of these good phones up in here. Get this goddamn mail or however it's gonna go, come see me in visitation, because I chose for my own self to be a part of this situation. You see what I'm saying? And that's real. But your slime snitched and told a whole story. He's a narrator. Then it's 2023. We don't even need paperwork. They got this shit high definition iPhone. They got this shit in HD. They called that boy HD. So, Mr. Sergio, is this a gang in the criminal organization? Yes, we are a criminal organization and we do crime. Yes. Nigga, this ain't no motherfucking job interview. Somebody fighting for their life. I feel sorry for Jeffrey. You hoe ass nigga, boy. What they call it, what they discovered, this ain't even no fed case, bro. Let's just talk about the real. Bro, this ain't even no federal charge, bro. Like, on some real nigga shit, bro, you was gonna get about 2 years, bro. 1 year, bro.
Guys, let me know your thoughts. Do you think that everyone is going to give Gunna the same energy that they gave 6ix9ine when 6ix9ine snitched? I don't know. I don't think so. I think people are going to be picking and choosing on who they want to cancel. Of course, Gunna made really good music. 6ix9ine just doesn't. So I think it was easier for people to turn on 6ix9ine. Now with Gunna, I already see people copping pleas, talking about not snitching and defending him. So drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. That was crazy, guys. Now we have a few other rappers that commented on the situation about Gunna snitching on Young Thug. We have Boozy commenting as well. Now, guys, we're about to get into why Young Thug is smiling so hard in this picture right here. For those of you that missed the Zoom with his trial, I'm going to play just a little bit of that for you, where his lawyer argued the fact that when they charged him with the RICO, the evidence that they used was actually from another trial from 2017 where they unlawfully entered his home. They had a void arrest warrant for his arrest to pick him up, and they never had a search warrant. When they went to pick him up on the arrest warrant, they entered his home and unlawfully searched his home, where they confiscated laptops, cell phones, drugs, weapons, and they used that evidence to build a case to form the RICO case. Okay, now that is unlawful and that is not allowed. You cannot enter and search someone's home without a search warrant. So you're going to hear his lawyer argue that fact and actually have the evidence thrown out, which is a big win for Young Thug. I believe he's going to be coming home very soon. They're going to have to drop the RICO charges, and they're not going to be able to charge him because the evidence that they're using to convict him is unlawful evidence. They did not obtain that evidence lawfully. They never had a search warrant.
Court's next
and from what I understand, the arrest warrant that they had was not even valid. So let's listen here, guys. Oh, yeah. Now, not only did they not have a search warrant to search his home where they confiscated the evidence to charge him with the RICO, but the evidence that they used to charge him in this case was supposed to be returned in 2017 when the case was dismissed. That case that they gathered all this evidence from, being his cell phone, computers, what have you, they were supposed to be returned. Those items were supposed to be returned to him.
That the prosecution is relying upon, and it is wholly inapposite to what we're dealing with here. What we're dealing with here in Court's Exhibit number 2, which is the transcript from April 3, 2017, has nothing to do with what happened in Alford. In Alford, Mr. Alford is a passenger in a vehicle. The car gets stopped. Law enforcement officers see open containers and they smell marijuana as they approach the car. The officers then ask Mr. Alford, is that your backpack at your feet? And the answer is yes, and there's contraband, there's drugs inside the backpack. Mr. Alford is arrested and he's prosecuted for that. The Honorable Trial Court had a pretrial motion to suppress, and the state of Georgia was on notice that Mr. Alford, just like the Honorable Mr. Williams, challenged the actual arrest. And the state of Georgia did not bring in a certified copy of a county ordinance saying that you can't have a person can't have an open container in a car. Because of that, the trial court granted the motion to suppress. The state of Georgia appealed. What happened in the Court of Appeals was as follows. The Court of Appeals said that's exactly right. Without introducing the certified copy of the county ordinance, There was no arrest for that purpose. But what the court then went on to hold is, however, when law enforcement officers lawfully walked up to that car, they smelled marijuana. And the odor of marijuana in the state of Georgia is a reason, probable cause, to search the car under the automobile exception. And because the automobile exception kicked in, it didn't matter that there was no certified copy of the county ordinance, and the Honorable Court of Appeals of Georgia found that the odor of marijuana was sufficient probable cause. The police then could search the car under the automobile exception. The backpack then, therefore, should be searched. The contraband inside the backpack should not. In Court's Exhibit number 2, so Alfred is like a waste, respectful, I don't mean to be rude. It is just not even close to what we have here.
Can I hijack for just a second, Mr. Steele?
Of course.
I can't rely totally upon what Judge Newkirk has indicated. And also, this case was never appealed, so there's no really appellate ruling on this issue. So I would argue it's ripe to consider again.
I would respectfully disagree. I wish I could do that in every case that I don't win, that I can come in and do a second bite at the apple. This is the exact
But it's a
issue.
different case.
No, it's, so then the state can just, I win a motion to
No,
suppress.
it's a different case. Okay.
Filed a motion to suppress based upon the law of the case. It's a final order. It was not appealed by the state of Georgia. It is a final order. It doesn't matter. It didn't go up to the appellate court. And it is the same issue that's already been litigated between the same parties, Mr. Williams and the state of Georgia. They're still the state of Georgia. It is res judicata and it is collateral estoppel, and all that is in my motion to suppress. Also, it is not accurate to say that.
All right, guys, I ain't gonna hold you up with that long hearing. If you want to go ahead and check that out, feel free to do so yourself. The footage is literally everywhere. Just Google it. Now, as I stated before, his attorney did a great job of arguing the fact that they never had a search warrant and they barely had an arrest warrant. The arrest warrant was in fact expired, and they used all the evidence that they gathered from his home in the illegal search to charge him with the RICO. So I feel strongly that this case is going to get thrown out, or it's going to be minimized to a smaller charge, and he will not be able to be charged with that RICO, seeing the default there in the States. Okay, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, as I enjoy making videos for you guys. So make sure you hit that like button on the way out. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And again, happy holiday, guys. Happy holidays, guys. I've been so busy Christmas shopping for my family. Every single day I get out there and I go to the mall and I buy stuff because I don't like to shop last minute and I don't like to be around crazy people. So help me get motivated by hitting that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.